Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just waiting to see if I have anybody here and if I'm live. It's a little delayed. Here we go. Just want to make sure that I am positioned straight. Okay. Hi, Tamara. Thank you for joining. I think I'm all right. Hi, Sandra. There, that's better. Okay, I think I'm ready to rock and roll as long as I don't hit my cord because I am charging the phone at the same time. Okay, dokie. All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bella. I'm representing Class Act here in Oshawa today, live for our Inspirational Thursday. Today is August the 15th, and we are going to have some die cutting fun. Yay! Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So this little photo here, I'm just going to show you ahead of time, but it's going to present itself again. So I'm going to be presenting the Out and About Spellbinders dies, and we're going to be featuring this Garden Buddies die today. He is the cutest little gnome. You can dress him up in so many different ways. He has all his little working parts here. Honestly, it's the best thing to play with when you have, brought in my set of tweezers, okay, because I have 3. When you have those reversible tweezers, it's so much fun. So what I did is I took a little picture, a little layout of what the pieces look like. So we have the hat, we have the face. The face includes the little hands and the nose, which gets popped up afterwards. There's a little piece of black. Let me bring it up to the camera. Sorry. There's a little piece of black right here, which we put behind the eyes. If you want to make him, you know, blue-eyed, green-eyed, you could change your cardstock piece. We also have the little body. So those are the pieces there. And then there's the bottom and the feet. These 2 pieces are for the little bird that comes with this die. There's a little bird there with a flower. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And here's the beard. Now you'll see how I've used these dies and changed them to suit the season and the cards that I'm creating. So this is just the introduction of how these dies cut and what kind of shapes they make. So I'm going to set this aside and we're going to bring back the gnome. So today we're going to present the gnome with the fall, a fall card. Oops, let's see. Here you go. So here we are. He's all dressed up in his little blue jeans and his top, and he's got his little beard there. And this die here from the Out and About collection is the little flowering tree. I love this tree. You could do so many things with it. With the tree I cut out, you have the flowers, sorry, which you'll see. I'll hold it like this. Maybe I'll stay in camera that way. Yeah, I'm just looking because I'm delayed on my computer. So you'll have the little buds that are here, and you have all the little leaves. So those are those, and then you got the little tree trunk. It has little embossed, like it embosses to look like wood. It's just adorable. So, hi, Carol. Carol's moderating for me today. Thank you very much, Carol. And then this is the tree part. So you have 2 pieces, but you can also make them as clouds. Die cutting fun, isn't it, everyone? I think so. I had a lot of fun with this, I have to say. So just to also let you know, what I used here was some paper. So I took a 12 by 12 piece of paper. This is from Stamperia. Everything is listed under Inspirational Thursday if you go to classactstamps.ca/shop and /Inspirational Thursday. So that's the card here. So you'll see that's this piece. So you could take these papers and just cut them in 4s and make yourself 4 cards. So that's that one. We'll move this away for a second. And this is, I believe, the Emerald Cut Spellbinders die. I love it. You've seen it probably in another Inspirational Thursday that I created with the sailboat. It's one of the nice ones. I mean, they're all nice, but it's one of my favorites that Spellbinders has put out. And this one is the word hello. It has a little shadow. So it all intertwines into a nice little fall card with our happy little gnome guy. So these are the dies that go with this little guy. Okay, and now we're going to do something different with him. And we're going to make him a wizard. Yes. Oops, I think I moved my camera. Okay, so here he is sporting his beautiful wizard hat with a spider web motif. And he has his outfit. What I did here with this outfit is I cut this piece twice. So that's the top, and then I just tuck the rest of it in to give him the bottom. So it looks like a gown. There you go. So hi, Judy. So that's his little gown. Again, his beard, his little hat. I incorporated the trees here. And with this right here, the tree, what do you call it? The foliage of the tree can be a cloud. It also could be like grass. You see here? So what I did is I cut it in 2 different colors. And here I used this paper pad. I love the 6x6 paper pad when you're working with small scale because I used the moon from this paper pad, which is the Echo Park Spooktacular Halloween. So that was there. I just cut, it was a 3x4 cut apart. I cut it into a circle. Here I just took some of the pattern paper. Again, the nice postage die from Spellbinders, one of my favorites. That's this one here, postage edge rectangles. You have a lot to play with. Okay, so look how nice that looks on an A2 card. You have that little white space. So your eye's drawn right to the middle of the wizard. So yes, there we go. That's the wizard card. And now we're going to move along to another show feature from the Out and About collection. Here is the Mushroom Mansion. The Mushroom Man, look at the little snail. He's so happy. The Mushroom Mansion looks like this. Now I don't have any cheat sheet like that, only because, you know, the pieces are fairly explanatory. They're big and everything. All right, so with this Mushroom Mansion, say that 3 times fast, I did another Halloween card. So I incorporated the mansion and the wizard. I'll put him over here. I think he goes to that part over there. And the little wizard, he's down here. I see hearts and likes. Thank you, everybody. So I did him as she's a lady. So what you do is you take the beard right here and you flip it upside down and you get her hair. Now, you could give her some gray hair, blonde hair, whatever you like, but I made her with the white hair today. And I did the little Mushroom Mansion as in like the little house here in the orange and like the vibrant Halloween colors. And if you can see the detail here, I took this big part of the mansion, which is this big piece here, right here. I ran it through an embossing folder. I believe that is the evergreen pines because I wanted the little vines to look like an old wood on that house. Thanks, Donna. So that's the little Halloween one. You can see I put the gray clouds from, again, the tree. And then here, I believe I took, I'm just double checking myself because I used a lot of things. I turned this, oh, here it is. Oh, yes. Okay, so you see the broom? I took the hair again and I cut off these two little pieces. Okay? And I just did some little faint lines with a very thin Sharpie right there, and I made a broom. The stem, which is very small, is the flower. So yeah, so a little bit of dye diversity. And I took a little bit of foil from my stash and just gave her a little belt. That is the gold pen. We have those here. So that's that one. Okay, so I'm going to put these cards out so you can have them at eye view. I'll move some of my stuff around. Okay, so last one to show you. This is just a little short inspiration today. Mushroom Mansion for Christmas. Yes. So this is our little Christmas house. We have the Mushroom Mansion, and then I added the little snail. So I'll get the die out here for you. So you have the little snail, and this is Minty paper. So I did it like a little peppermint on his little back. This is just a little, what was it? I just cut a little square, like Fussy cut a little square, made a present, and I took these pieces here, which is on the back here, right there. These pieces here, and I just added them to the present. Just kind of give it a little decor. And it has its own little wee blossoms. Here you are. And then I did some little Stickles glitter on there. I used Stardust for there. I used a little snowfall embossing folder from Sizzix. This is this greenery here. There. And the sentiment, delivering joy, is from Spellbinders. You get Christmas wishes, happy holidays, and delivering joy. It's called Handmade Sentiments. So in that one, I cut in the foil. Okay. So that is that. We have Gnome in the fall. We have him as a wizard for Halloween. We have a lady gnome as a sorceress and a Christmas house. Now, I'm also, oh, and don't forget the Halloween house too. So I'm also going to be making spring and summer. I'll have them here displayed at the stores for you to look at when you come in. And today we thought we'd do something fun. So the fun thing would be, you have until, I believe, because we know a lot of people watch this on replay. You have until Friday evening, I'd say, to comment. Just comment in and just tell us, you know, which one you like. If you like the gnome or the little house or whatever, just I'm going to give you a keyword. Hold on, let me see. It'd be easier that way. Okay, how about we just say out and about? Okay, so if you put in out and about, and I'm going to write that down so that you can see it. And then this way, we're going to enter a few lucky winners. So it's out and about. This way, we know that you've watched the video, you want to be entered in our contest. If you put in the words out and about, we will select winners to get Take and Makes made by me. So I have pre-cut everything for you. If you see, this is the Halloween one. Everything's packaged. Everything's pre-cut for you. So one lucky winner will get the Halloween gnome. Okay, and our Take and Makes come with the card bases and the envelopes. So you'll get the card base and the envelope for that as well. Another lucky winner will get the fall gnome. Again, look at all the little pieces. I've pre-cut everything for you, just so you could try it. Yeah, so the lucky winner will be able to try out and see how to play with the die cuts and how to assemble them all together. And then we have another lucky winner who will win the little Christmas house. Okay, everything's pre-cut for you, just like our take and makes. If you're familiar with our take and makes, they are, you take it and you make it when you go home or to the cottage, a trailer, or maybe even on an airplane. And then we have this one here as well. That one's still in my little tray because I was piecing it all together. I've pre-cut everything for you. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to mention the yellow paper I put in the back here. That's also there. And I used wild honey for the background just to give it a little you know, luminous look. Okay. So, comment out and about in the comments, and one lucky winner will win one Hello the Fall, one of these with the Lady Sorcerer, one of the Wizard, and one of the little Christmas mushroom house. So I will recap these out and about dies again. We have the Mushroom Mansion, Flowering Tree, the Garden Buddies. They're all here. We have them in stock at the store. So if you want to order them, you can order them at classactstamps.ca. Go to shop, and you can go to new arrivals, or your best bet is to go right to brand to Spellbinders. And you can purchase those for your own projects. Okay, again, don't forget to type in out and about, and hopefully I'm going to send good juju to you all. Hopefully we get 4 lucky winners. All right, thank you for dropping in. Next week, I'll be back at 4 o'clock. It's my last one for a while, and I'll be making something else, and you'll get maybe a sneak peek on Sunday. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful evening. Always thank you for coming in for Inspirational Thursday. Carol, thank you so much for moderating again. You do a great job, and we'll see you soon. Come on down to the store, 295 Simcoe Street South. We're here and ready to show you all of our stuff on display. Bye-bye now.